Welcome to Autobike Reviews. Today, we take a detailed look at the Honda Activa 6G 2026, one of the most trusted and best-selling scooters in India. For 2026, Honda has focused on refinement, comfort, fuel efficiency, and smart updates while keeping the Activa's legendary reliability intact. Let's explore what makes the new Activa 6G a strong choice for daily commuters and family riders. Design and styling updates. The Honda Activa 6G 2026 continues with its familiar and clean design but now looks more premium. The body panels are smoother, panel gaps are tighter, and new dual-tone color options add freshness. Chrome accents on the front and subtle graphics enhance its road presence without making it flashy. The LED headlamp and tail lamp improve visibility and give the scooter a modern touch. Engine and performance. Powering the Activa 6G 2026 is Honda's proven 109.51 cubic centimeters BS6 compliant engine. It delivers smooth acceleration, low vibration, and excellent refinement. The engine produces balanced power for city riding, making overtaking easy even with a pillion. Honda's enhanced smart power technology improves combustion efficiency, ensuring reliable performance in daily stop-and-go traffic. Mileage and fuel efficiency. Mileage has always been Activa's biggest strength. The Honda Activa 6G 2026 offers impressive fuel efficiency, making it ideal for budget-conscious riders. Thanks to optimized fuel injection and reduced friction, riders can expect excellent real-world mileage, especially in urban conditions. The silent start system also helps conserve fuel while keeping starts smooth and noise-free. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is where the Activa truly shines. The telescopic front suspension and refined rear setup absorb bumps effectively, making rough roads easier to handle. The seat is wide, well-cushioned, and comfortable for both rider and pillion. The upright riding posture and flat floorboard ensure fatigue-free commuting, even on longer city rides. Features and technology. The Honda Activa 6G 2026 comes equipped with practical and rider-friendly features. These include an engine start-stop switch, external fuel filler cap, integrated passing switch, and side stand engine cutoff for added safety. The semi-digital instrument cluster provides clear information such as fuel level, speed, and service reminders, enhancing everyday usability. Braking and safety. Safety is well addressed in the new Activa 6G. It features combined braking system, CBS, which ensures balanced braking by applying both front and rear brakes together. This improves stability and confidence, especially for new riders. Strong build quality and reliable braking performance make it a dependable scooter for all age groups. Practicality and storage. Practicality remains a strong point. The underseat storage is spacious enough to fit a helmet and daily essentials. The front hook and optional accessories like a USB charger add convenience. With its lightweight and easy handling, parking and maneuvering the Activa 6G 2026 is effortless in crowded city spaces. Expected price and variance. The Honda Activa 6G 2026 is expected to remain competitively priced, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Multiple variants and color options allow riders to choose according to their budget and preferences. Honda's strong service network further adds long-term value and peace of mind. Final verdict. The Honda Activa 6G 2026 continues to be a benchmark in the scooter segment. It offers excellent mileage, comfort, reliability, and low maintenance costs. While it may not be the sportiest scooter, it excels as a dependable daily companion. If you're looking for a trusted, family-friendly scooter, the Activa 6G 2026 is still one of the best options available. Outro. This was the complete review of the Honda Activa 6G 2026 by Autobike Reviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autobike Reviews for more detailed bike